Sviečková today, which is a Czechoslovak as well food, which involves 3 pork fillets, cleaned up from the jak sa to povie, čo sú strunky.
From the
Completely clean. Then you have one big onion, 3 garlics, 5 what are they called?
parsnips.
Parsnips, and about 6 or 7 or 8 carrots. Then you have celery, piece of celery.
Celery root, that is.
Yes, celery root, and then is 2 vegetable stalks, and we'll go a little bit of
What is that?
Vegeta,
Vegeta,
and a little bit of lemon after.
Lemon as well.
And we will see what else we need afterwards. The next steps is to sear this pork fillets. Now we're preparing for a sauce slowly, but we have to clean it up all the vegetables. This is one big onion. We have to fry it and then we white for the vegetables.
It's okay. Yeah, because it goes everywhere. You can cut your skin as well if you're not careful.
You're running, okay. What we're doing, then we put carrots into onions. Onions already fried. Put a little bit of salt in there. Releases the juices, the carrot, and the color for the Sviečková as well. That's we leave it, I don't know, 2-3 minutes. Now we're putting rest of the carrots and parsley because we mixed it up a little bit, but it's okay anyway. It's when we white a little bit, this heats up again. Some of the ingredients, which is celery, in the one piece. And when it's done, this one, you have to go through the sifter. You have to press it through the sifter because they have a little bit of veins inside. You don't want it enough. It's when you put that one there, you put 3 cloves of garlic.
Beautiful.
And you put 2 vegetable stalks. 2. Okay. Now we putting meat inside.
Okay, wonderful. So it's gonna now cook. Fabulous. Now you have to kind of chop it up around. I don't want too much water, then it's gonna be very thin. Stir it up a little bit.
What else you can? Now what we are trying to do, the meat, it's falling apart.
That good.
Put this one through the sift. Real sure.
So this is the sieve?
This is a celery.
Celery root?
Yeah. I don't know if you'll go
Yeah, I
through
can
this
see
one.
that. I don't want to go through it.
No, you have to probably find a different.
So we actually ended up blending the root. It was easier, just put a little bit of water into the root and then we sieved it through and we got this puree that we're going to actually add back in.
Uciekaj, Janiczku, choreko Maniczku. Uciekaj, Janiczku, choreko Maniczku. Poza tebu idzie szandar na koniczku.
1.5 spoon of Dijon. Smooth one, anyway.
We got 1.5 of Dijon smooth, probably 5-6 cracks of pepper. We'll get half of a, what did we talk, 500?
600 ml.
600, half of a
300 ml.
Thickened.
Thickned cream. Little bit of flavor.
Beautiful. More lemon. And stir.
Pobijeme takto, abo ja takého. Pobijeme takto, abo ja takého.
And now I'm trying it. Okay, we'll see what's going on. Magnificent.
U swojej frajirce, u swojej frajirce nie puścim nikogo.
That's just your normal spoon?
Yeah, two.
About 2.
And a little bit of water, but I have to add more. And in case you think you might have some, just do it this way. No. Just be on safe side.
Yep, no lumps. I'll look at the lumps you caught. Yep.
Really. Because if you put it there when it boils, it will make your lumps. So it has to be warm.
Off the heat, I see. Yep, so heat up the thing before.
What you do, just put it in like this and stir it up. Okay? No, that's it. It's thickened. I can feel it already. And when it gets boiled, couple minutes, 3-4 minutes, then that's what it is.
Now we're cutting our meat. Slice is about centimeters like that. And then when we cut it all the meat, we put it inside in the sauce. So when you're taking it from the pot.
Czarne oczy, bardzo mała, a cynglingi bamba.